everyone, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Today's lesson is all about how to respond when someone says thank you. We all know the usual reply, you're welcome. But honestly, that can feel a little overused and even too formal in casual situations. So in this video, I'll show you better, more natural ways to respond. Let's dive in. Let's start with informal responses. The first one is no problem. This is used when what you did was easy or didn't feel like a burden. Here's an example. Thanks for helping me carry those groceries. No problem. The second one is anytime. This shows you are happy to help whenever they need. Here's an example. Thanks for picking up my shift today. Anytime. The third one is don't mention it. This is a polite way to say it was not a big deal. Here's an example. Thanks for waiting for me. Don't mention it. Here's the fourth one. It was nothing. This means it didn't take much effort. Here's an example. Thanks for walking my dog while I was away. It was nothing. The fifth one is no worries. It's casual, friendly, and often used in Australian or British English too. Here's an example. Thanks for helping me clean up after the party. No worries. The next one is sure thing. It is cheerful and easygoing. It's used when the thank you was for something simple. Thanks for passing the salt. Sure thing. The next one is I got you. It is very casual and shows you had their back. Here's an example. Thanks for covering me during the meeting. I got you. The next one is of course. It says it was obvious or natural that you helped. Here's an example. Thanks for sending that email for me. Of course. Now, let's look at formal responses. The first one is you're most welcome. This is a more polite version of you're welcome. Here's an example. Thank you for attending the meeting today. You're most welcome. The next one is my pleasure. It shows genuine happiness to help. Here's an example. Thanks for your assistance with the report. My pleasure. The next one is I'm happy to help. This shows willingness and kindness. Here's an example. Thanks for explaining that so clearly. I'm happy to help. Now let's look at this one. Much obliged. This one is old-fashioned, but it means I feel thankful. And it's also formal. Here's an example. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Much obliged. Here's the next one. I know you'll do the same. This shows kindness and mutual support. Here's an example. Thanks for staying late to help. I know you'll do the same. Now let's look at this one. That's quite alright. It is reassuring and polite when someone feels they've caused trouble. Here's an example. Thanks and sorry for the short notice. That's quite alright. The last one is no, thank you. This is used when you want to turn the appreciation back on them. Here's an example. Thanks for being so understanding. No, thank you. So next time someone says thank you, try one of these alternatives. Now it's your turn. In the comments, write 2 different ways to respond to thank you. One for a casual situation and one for a formal. I'll check them for you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.